Delicious mocha soda recipe, ice cream parlor style. Hey there, welcome back to our ice cream parlor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing and indulgent treat mocha soda. It's perfect for those warm days when you need a pick-me-up. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, 1 shot of espresso, you can also use strong brewed coffee, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, maraschino cherry for garnish. Instructions. First, let's start by adding our chocolate syrup into a tall glass. You can adjust the amount based on how chocolatey you want your drink to be. Next, we're going to add our shot of espresso. This is what gives our mocha soda that wonderful coffee flavor. Now, it's time for the star of the show, our vanilla ice cream. I'm going to add 2 generous scoops right into the glass. Look at that beautiful combination. Now, we top it off with some whipped cream for that extra indulgence. And of course, no mocha soda is complete without a cherry on top. And there you have it, folks, a delicious mocha soda, ready to be enjoyed. That's absolutely divine. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time with more tasty treats. Cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.